I'm recording Amanda eating ramen noodles out of the pot. John, I love you. Amanda's more concerned with her ramen noodles than anything else. John, come on, don't go to bed yet.
Come on, John.
Alright, John. No, we just met our new roommates that are across like the hall from us.
Oh my god, I almost came out my nose if I would have.
And these girls are so cool.
So cool.
No, they're cool. We just